Conventional wastewater treatment systems are very energy intensive. Aeration requirements associated with these systems can account for up to half of a treatment facility's energy demand. Therefore, there's increasing interest in developing anaerobic bioreactors because they do not require expensive aeration equipment and also can produce biogas that can be utilized for energy recovery. My name is Emily Phaneuf, and my research is focused upon the testing of a pilot-scale anaerobic baffled reactor, or ABR, for domestic wastewater treatment. This system consistently meets EPA secondary standards for total suspended solids. However, it does not consistently meet standards for biochemical oxygen demand, or BOD, which could be problematic if the effluents from this system were to be discharged. Therefore, the goal of my experiment was to test a system for removing residual BOD from ABR effluent using aerobic treatment. This system was set up by taking a 10-liter reactor and feeding in water from the existing anaerobic bioreactor. Then, two different conditions were tested, either operating as an unmixed batch reactor or a continuously mixed batch reactor. Continuous mixing was provided in one condition by using a simple stand mixer, and constant aeration was provided in both trials by using a small aquarium bubbler. Total suspended solids and biochemical oxygen demand were measured initially and after 18 and 24-hour hydraulic residence times for all of the experiments that were conducted. Overall, BOD was reduced for both unmixed and mixed conditions. The average peak removal at the 24-hour hydraulic residence time was 70% for unmixed trials and 55% for mixed trials. In fact, the effluent in all of the unmixed trials fell below the EPA secondary standard for BOD. However, this was not replicated in mixed trials, which is likely attributed to discrepancies in the initial BOD of water fed into these systems. Solids production was monitored as well because consumption of organics should theoretically lead to an increase in biomass present in the system, which could be problematic in terms of total suspended solids concentrations. Solids measurements, however, were very variable, showcasing the complexities of approaching solids production and removal. However, these results as a whole provide a proof of concept that aerobic treatment could be effective at removing residual BOD from the ABR effluent. In the future, several modifications are going to be introduced to hopefully increase the breakdown of BOD further from this system. We hope to evaluate the effectiveness of a continuous flow stirred reactor, utilizing increased aeration, and including a physical removal process to get rid of some of the accumulated biomass that is present. Overall, these results show that anaerobic treatment with further development may be a feasible alternative for conventional wastewater treatment processes, drastically reducing the energy costs of treating domestic wastewater. Thank you.